The Shopify Dawn theme is a free, minimalist, and modern theme designed for online stores. Some of its key features include 1. Responsive design. The Dawn theme is designed to work seamlessly across devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. 2. Customizable homepage. The theme comes with a customizable homepage that allows store owners to add, remove, or rearrange content blocks to suit their needs. 3. Product filtering. The theme includes product filtering options that enable customers to sort products by price, popularity, or other criteria. 4. Product image zoom. The theme features a product image zoom function that allows customers to zoom in on product images to view details. 5. Social media integration. The theme includes social media icons that link to your store's social media accounts, making it easy for customers to follow your brand. 6. Customer testimonials. The theme includes a customer testimonials section that can help build trust and credibility with potential customers. 7. Multi-level menu. The theme includes a multi-level menu that enables store owners to create a more organized and hierarchical navigation system. 8. Blogging support. The Dawn theme comes with built-in blogging support, making it easy to add and manage blog posts on your online store. 9. Product page customization. The theme allows for customization of the product page, including the layout and display of product information. 10. SEO optimization. The Dawn theme is optimized for search engines, making it easier for your store to rank higher in search engine results pages. ऐसी और वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। धन्यवाद, आपका दिन शुभ हो।